they do have Yeezys here, $30, that's kind of crazy. This is actually really, really dope. This is dope. They got all kinds of Lakers jerseys right here, Mitchell and S Swingman. At the New Balance Outlet, we're seeing 997s going for a hell of a price, as well as all kinds of made in the USA 998s, 990s. On the back aisle, you get an extra 30% off. They got 997s, full box. Collection just amazing. Got 990s right here. Still out in Camarillo. Adidas with up to 60% off. Damn, y'all doing Mahomes like that? You guys can't line up that poster? That's jacked up, man. And they do have Yeezys here, but mostly small sizes. Quantums, they got these in decent sizes, as well as those right there. Wait, they actually have size 10.5 on these as well. And yeah, I've got a few sizes. I guess this is the only one where they barely have any sizes. Got some compacts here as well, just no display for them. See what's going on with this back section right here. $90 for these, but what's the extra discount? These look really, really small. $130, $190 for these. Got some of the Ultra Boost lights right here, still $190. Oh wait, these are dope. These are dope. What size are these? These are 10.5. These are size 10.5. What's the price on these? $100 for these. This colorway is fire, dude. This colorway is so dope. All right, so these are going for $100. Their price is marked because it's a white tag, green and red tags. I think you get it 50% off. That's what the worker said. He believes it, but he didn't know for sure. But yeah, $100 for these. If these were 50% off, maybe. But yeah, these are dope, dude. These dope, but not $100 dope for me. The Mexico ones right here. These are dope. At at $80, and then you get another 50 off. They got a couple different sizes here. $40 for these. These are hella cheap. Yeah, this is size 12 right here. 3 pairs. Are they all size 12? I think they're all size 12. Damn. Bombas right here. We've been seeing these on sale in some of the retail stores. $100 here. These are size 10.5. What's the price on these? $100 for these. This colorway is fire, dude. This colorway is so dope. All right, so these are going for $100. Their price is marked because it's a white tag, green and red tags. I think you get it 50% off. That's what the worker said. He believes it, but he didn't know for sure. But yeah, $100 for these. If these were 50% off, maybe. But yeah, these are dope, dude. These dope, but not $100 dope for me. The Mexico ones right here. These are dope. At $80, and then you get another 50 off. They got a couple different sizes here. $40 for these. These are hella cheap. Yeah, this is size 12 right here. 3 pairs. Are they all size 12? I think they're all size 12. Damn. Bombas right here. We've been seeing these on sale in some of the retail stores. $100 here. I couldn't even tell if these were Ultra Boost. These are Ultra Boost lights, and they got some splatter paint on them. $130, you get 50 off. What's up with these black ones? Oh, they got hearts on it. Really? Is this a women's? What is this? The hell? Size 10. They're $140, so it's what, $70? These are $37.50 right here for the NMDs. So they do got some deals. Just not the deals that I'm looking for, unfortunately. No price tag on that one. SL's going for $90. Price is definitely up and down. $190 for these Ultra Boost lights right here. Solar Thons, full length boost for $30. That's kind of crazy. But I don't know what size that is. Size 11.5. Oh wait, that's confusing. Size 12 men's right here. And $75 for these after discount boost lights. Let's see what's going on in the aisles. Terex right here going for $50. These going for quite a bit more at $80. Some soccer cleats. The name in the back right there. All kinds of soccer cleats, to be honest. So this one looks like a pretty decent deal. Can't tell which ones are the really premium ones. Like by price, I guess it's this one. But those and these are both called the Predators, what the hell? Oh, those are the Predator Elites, and those are the regular Predators. They got some Ultra Boost lights right here, go for 75. I guess all these are going for 75, huh? Looks like the going rate for a bunch of them. All kinds of colorways. At that price, I haven't tried the Ultra Boost lights. I don't know if they feel the same. They don't feel as soft as the regular Ultra Boost. I don't know. I think some of you guys have mentioned in the comment section, right? Checking out the women's, got the same pricing, bunch of colorways as well. Okay, maybe not a bunch. Got 3 different colorways. Is that it for the women's? Is that it? Nothing else? Okay. Women's Ultra Boost right here, go for 65. Got a resale with the card doing his thing. Did I check the women's? I don't think I checked the women's clearance. See what's up here. Will they give this to you? Like Ozelia box? Will they give that to you for 100? Minus 50% off? I don't know. One of the workers did give me one of these coupons. Pretty bootleg looking coupon. Gazelle's excluded from the discount. Got Superstars, go for I think $50. And MDs go for 110, so 55. Got them in white as well, 75, so what, 37.50. Got these Ultra Boost right here, 130. This is the one that the reseller over there was grabbing. Of course, he got the full box, but black and white, pretty freaking clean. 130, 65 bucks. This one also, that's not an Ultra Boost though. I got a few of them right here, going for 65. They got all kinds back here. This Pro Image Sports has been a pretty dope spot for deals. They got a nice little clearance section right here. Price is definitely solid in the sales section. 50% off these jerseys right here. Is this Messi jerseys? Yeah, these are Messi jerseys. Got several different sizes. We got large right here. We got this XL. Large, XL, double XL. And got him in black too. I got a couple black ones right here as well. Chargers XL shirt right here down to 20. Got this piece of junk shirt right here. I'm still butthurt. Man, was the reffing really that bad? I did not feel like the reffing was bad. Of course, I'm biased. No holding calls for the Chiefs, even though they were the most called team for holding throughout the entire season. I don't know. Is that just me? Y'all let me know. And of course, I am biased. Yeah, I'm a Niner fan, so of course I'm gonna be biased. But yeah, $70 for Chargers. I don't see. It says price is marked. Okay, this is what it's supposed to be. $40 right here. This is team apparel. Got a Vikings hoodie right here. Hopefully by the time you guys watch, Niners will have handled their business with these fools. But yeah, this is a starter hoodie. Pretty freaking nice. For $40, a medium. Cowboys Nike jacket right here. Fleece jacket. These are pretty nice. They're pretty nice. It says $80 though. How's it on clearance if it's $80? Come on now. Come on now, man. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. $20 Raider shirts. And they got Justin Field jerseys for $50. I feel like that should be way cheaper. Who's this? I don't even know who the hell that is. $50? Who is that? Renfro? I don't know who that is. Don't know who that is. So you got Evans jerseys right here. What they go for? They go $50. He's still with the Bucks, ain't he? And he's still with the Bucks? $175 down to $50. That's cheap. I know Mac Jones is no longer with the Pats, and I know Derrick Henry's no longer with the Titans. Oh, okay, this is the hoodie they had over there. And yeah, they are marked down to $40, normally $85. Those are pretty nice. Kind of cool. Like an apron when you barbecue and stuff. Got a beer. A bottle opener right there. $20. $20 if you're a Houston Texans fan right there. And these are down to $100. These are normally $130. Got Kings Fanatics jerseys right here. These are down to 65. This is actually really dope. This is dope. They got all kinds of Lakers jerseys right here. Mitchell and Ness Swingman. 65 for the Derek Fisher jersey. MPLS colorway. They got a Lamar Odom one right here. Going for 65. This is a medium. They have all kinds of different jerseys right here. Nick Van Exel. They got Cedric Ceballos. A bunch of throwbacks. And I think they have Eddie Jones here as well. Oh, they got another Odom. More Van Exels. And then Eddie freaking Jones. This one's huge though. That one's huge. But they got a bunch of throwback players. This is who I grew up with. The Del Harris years. Those years were so painful. They were so painful. They weren't easy. Del Harris even was not able to make it with Kobe and Shaq. And then soon as Phil Jackson took over, first year he was there with Kobe and Shaq, Phil got the championship. That was just crazy. These are huge. These are freaking huge though. But yeah, $65 for a bunch of Lakers throwback Mitchell and Ness jerseys. That's just dope. Red Sox. They look like practice jersey type of things right here. 100 down to 69. Then got Brave jerseys right here. I don't know Jones though. I don't know who the hell that is. But it is an authentic. Go for $70. So almost 50% off. Got, I don't know who that is. Oh, there's no player. There's a number though. But yeah, 130. These are all go for like $70. I would ask them. Yeah, 69 for that. They got some dope stuff here, man. They got some dope stuff. Definitely worth a stop. Definitely worth a stop. Got Cowboys shorts right here. Go for 30. And of course, they got plenty of other stuff going for regular price. If you're a baller and you don't mind paying full price for everything, they got plenty of stuff here. Y'all seem to love New Balance nowadays. This is a nice old New Balance outlet. I bought, what did I buy? I bought a couple of 574s here. 30% off the back wall. Look at this, 990s. I love the fact that you do get the full box. 140 to get an extra 30% off. Yeah, these are made in the USA. You're not gonna find any other shoe. It's like $100. Made in the USA. All the 990s, they give you the full box. These are freaking $100. These are size 5 though. $100, get another 30 off, so $70. Yeah, the bigger size, these are size 7. They seem to be 140. I think these are Stray Rats collab right here on the 580s. Okay. These are going for 150. Some of them you get no box, some of them you get a box top. Size 9, 997s go for 90. Remember, you do get 30% off all this. I'm just too lazy to do the math. More 990s, 150. More 997s right here, going for 80. This has the Cordera on it. 550s right here, size 10, going for 80. 515s, they're down to $50. And then you get another 30 off, so $35. All kinds of 990s right here. Look at this. These are down to $100, so 70 after the discount. I struggled to take it out the box. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. I'm not too big a fan of those dad shoes. 808s. These are down to 80 plus the discount. Oh, look. They got a refurb marking on this one. That says second. 550s down to 70. This colorway down to 80. The ones right here. These are going for 70 as well. Finding a ton of 990s. These are a size 10 right here. Majority of them seem to be 140 plus the discount. 515s, these are going for 70. 996s right here. What that super soft suede, holy cow, 140 for these. Size 10 two-ways down to $50. And a lot of the same stuff, but they got them in bigger sizes. Size 11 and a half right here. More than 990s and a 11 and a half. 574 rugged, going for 85. Got a lot of really good stuff if you're a New Balance fan. Even Big Feet Gang right here, size 14. 140 for the 996s right here. Very, very solid back wall right here, especially with that 30% off. What a selection. In the aisles, we got the 1080 V13s, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. So if you get 2 pairs, it's like 25% off both pairs. Got a couple different colorways. Got other fresh foams right here. The Kaha? How the hell do you say that? I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know much about these. But they got 997s, full box, going for a pretty solid price. These, they only have size 11s. 10 through 12 for these. Oh, I see a size 9 too. Plenty of sizes. 30% off on this one. Yeah, a lot of people talking about these 997s. I don't really know much about them though. One last one right here with Cordera. 996s. Is that one of the cheapest prices? Because you get 30% off on top. These are going for $70 after a discount. As well as these right here. Holy cow. And just a reminder, all these 996s made in the USA. This one in all buck leather. 998s right here. These are also made in the USA. That suede is just, oh my god. It don't get softer. It don't get softer than that. Prices, the lowest prices we've seen. Selection just amazing. Got 990s right here. You get 990s for $70. These are $130, but you can see you get 30% off. So under $100 for all these 990s. Got 991s. I've never even heard of those before. Got 9060s, which seem to be hella popular nowadays. Pretty solid prices. Then got 2 more going for 50% off. And I also got 515s. I've never seen this colorway right here, $75. Then got all kinds of different colorways. They're all pretty much going for $75. Kind of do like these. These are almost as cool as the 574s in my opinion. I just realized I got those New Balance 1080. I think they were like V12, V13s for like $25, $30 at Bulldog. I don't think I'm gonna see them that cheap here. I don't remember how much I got paid for them. What, 35? Might have been $50, which is still a hell of a discount. But yeah, I did find a women's pair for someone that I know that needed them. $80 for these 550s right here. $80 for these women's pairs right here as well. Remember, you do get that extra 30 off on top. Too lazy to do the math for you guys, so yeah, $80 for all those. Seeing a lot less variety. Seeing some interesting stuff though. Fresh foam Moors right here. This one, I think you get more fresh foam on these than the 1080s, but I don't know if the fresh foam's the exact same. I heard there's different densities for some of the shoes. They got these going for $100. Another 30 off on top, so $70 for y'all. Ka'aha, is that how you say it? I don't know. It's Hawaiian, right? That is Hawaiian. I believe $89.99 for those. Got some decent stuff. The men's section, just so much better selection. And then in the women's aisles, of course, we got plenty of 515s. That's where we've always seen plenty of those. Our share of 550s as well. These are going for buy one, get one, 50 off, $69.99 and $89.99 depending on the colorway. And they got more 515s. And the men's, they had all these 990s, 996s. They don't got none of that for the women. What the hell? Yeah, the women's section looking hella janky compared to the men's. I've gone down every aisle. All right, they got these 990s. One for regular price, and that's it, yo, that's it. Oh, wait, I did find these 997s. And these are, what, $90, you get 30 off. But that's literally it, dude. That's it, man. But for the women, they do have, like, size 5.5, size 7, size 4 in the men's section. So you guys might be able to find some dope stuff. Look at this, 990s. Smaller sizes. So y'all might be good. All right, let's see what happens here. Bacon's down to $100, and then you get another 30 off. So Foot Locker Outlet right across the street. Of course, you get an extra 50% off pretty much everything here. But look, now they got these. Are you serious? Yeah, these are normally $120. They're down to what, $30 freaking dollars?